Hi everyone, welcome back to another trading day, Wednesday 22 May 2024. Today I will trade long Aussie, pound, New Zealand, short the USD yen and the Swiss. And at the end of this video I'll show you my favorite trade idea for today. The dollar index, well, as I said yesterday, confused now. Because they got resistance, they got support in the moving averages, a low news week, so nothing really pushing the markets. I can see my intraday indicator still says dollar short. It still shows on the short term dollar short, but on the long term we still have support for the medium and the long term as dollar bullish. So market quite confused. We will see. Most likely we will retest that level and then get direction from there, either breaking upwards for another bull one or reverse for another bear one. So we'll have to wait and see until we get some news. Gold running up nicely there, now consolidating into sidewaysness together with the rest of the market. I'm interested in a little bit of a buy when it breaks this consolidation. Now most likely it can still come down here, so I will wait for a breakout there. A nice strong break, a retest and a nice counter reversal on a weak dollar. That sounds like a good thing to do, but for that we're going to need the market to get direction. We're going to need a break here at this stage. Bitcoin still flying up nicely, finding resistance yesterday at that flag top there, so that shows the market is actually looking at that level, and it couldn't even get to the all-time high. So that's a little bit of weakness coming in, profit taking most likely. But at least, if you start buying here, you look very, very good. But let's see now if the market can usually the market breaks on the 4th attempt. So 1, 2, this is the third one. So we might see a little bit of a sell-off here. We might even go as far down as a retracement down here. It might retest these areas. If I look at the Fibonacci levels for argument's sake of these last swings, you can see the 50 to 61% coming there. Let's see this one here. Yeah, you see, we can even retest this area here. See, that's that area. So we could see a retest here of 65, and then it could rally up the page. All right, so that's what I'm interested in. At this stage, I started to add to my longer term positions, and we'll see if it can fly up. If it can break that flag, nothing can stop it. We're in uncharted territory, and then price will just push itself. The rest of the crypto markets, Solana also finding resistance. So on a retest here, nothing wrong adding back into, if you haven't done so yet, Ethereum, with the news that there was a stage where they said that the ETF might not be approved, but now suddenly there's new interest and everything, and they say, okay, no, it seems like it's going to be improved or approved. Sorry, nice strong 2 days on Ethereum, and running up $700, more than that. But all right, we got our timing here, and that gave me a very nice entry, stunning trade so far. So let's see. You see Bitcoin Cash turning there, so it's now bullish. So maybe a little bit of retracement can add back there. Uniswap, we also did this, so looking good. Polkadot also, we got this one looking good. Chainlink, we got the breakout there, it's looking good. All of them. XRP is still disappointing, pushed but couldn't break the levels. I will buy XRP when it breaks. Dogecoin also, you got to test the bounce, very nicely done. So they all turned to bullish now. Right, so I'm not going to go through all them. They are still the same. They're all in buying territory for the next bull run. Hopefully it can be a big one. And the New Zealand US trade from yesterday, missed our stop with a pip or two. If you got it, I put my stops 10 to 15 pips below the low. That came down like 8 pips, so still in. And now with a new high, most likely some news. Dollar, New Zealand, all the sparkle, dollar very, very red. So at this stage, just get stopped to entry. Now you can't lose money, and that's it. Right, now you can sit back and relax. Last swing here, 1.27 FIP. That's a 1 to 2 risk reward. I think this was a 30 pip risk. That gives you 60. Okay, just over 60. So very nicely done, no problem. So let's sit now. Now you can't lose money. And if it flies up the page, now it just gets to target, hopefully. No new trades I will do here for now. For now, I'll just sit with this trade and let it play out. Euro US. Nice triangle forming, plus a nice potential retracement we can trade. Euro neutral, I'm not after that, but I'm after the dollar short. and going long here, that'll give me $1 short. So the break, the retest, the counter reversal of this pattern, a triangle pattern which on its own means nothing unless it's confirmed. And I need the confirmation there to show me that this does become structure. Else, I must use 50% on a confirmed structure here. Before we continue, thank you for today's sponsor, Incasu. When your business needs a reporting platform to improve the quality and speed of making decisions, consider Insight BI, a seamless add-on for reporting and business intelligence. Insight BI is an all-in-one, cloud-based 24/7 reporting solution. For more info, check out the link in the description. Then Aussie US, same as yesterday, basically very consolidating. This whole week is very lethargic. The market doesn't want to move. So a retest here of the 61%, I'll still be interested. For now, it's just going sideways, and I'm not that interested. On the Dow Jones, also same as yesterday, I want to get a retest. My trading robot missed the stop loss there with 4 or 5 points, so that's good. Let's hope it can keep the 40,000 and go up. The rest of the indices looks great. This one is a little bit lagging, so let's hope it plays catch up. But nothing that I will do here quickly, just the retest here. S&P 500 got a nice flat top triangle, and so maybe a little bit of a sell-off here, then the break. That will be great. Then the retest and then a counter reversal on a weak dollar. That's stock market bullish on a bullish trend. I love this. I love this. Rising bottoms, flat top. So let's just let the market confirms that it is structure. Now this is a good structure. This is one of the most powerful patterns that I know. This is one of the few patterns I like to look at on its own also, because it's really filled with structure and it's filled with levels already on its own. It's not like triangles and all kinds of other patterns. So I'm waiting for a strong break, a retest, and then we can go with it. Aussie yen, also one of those both sides one, a little bit of a consolidation. The break, the retest, counter reversal, yep, I like that one. Also the 50 to 61% retracement back to this structure here. And if you look at the Aussie in the green zone and the yen bottom of the pile, so 100% good for me to be long on this, just not from those levels. New Zealand yen, nice break on the news last night. I haven't looked at the news, but it must be news. So nice break on that. I like that. The retest, resistance. So that could become support now. Mainly only from this afternoon. I would just like to see a retest and then a counter reversal. So maybe tonight or this late this afternoon, or maybe even tomorrow. But New Zealand, all the sparkle, yen bottom of the pile. I love this. I absolutely love this. I just don't want to chase into this. I just want the news to play a little bit out, that the market gets used to the news, and then the retest, that the bulls confirm themselves, and then we can take the trade. Euro pound, never my favorite, but nonetheless, there's a setup coming in on the directional swing here. Fibonacci 50 to 61%. That resistance level now confirmed. I need this to test. Counter reversal, then I'll look for some shorts. Euro not the one I'm after, but I'm after a pound long, and I don't get lots of pound setups here. They are way off entry, so I didn't include them this morning like the pound US. They're way off the entry. It's not going to happen today. So I'm looking for something on the pound, and well, this is an option if it gets back there and the base can prove they steal. In the euro yen test last night, made a morning star at the same level up yesterday, different levels, slightly higher. Morning star this morning, but I don't trade the Tokyo sessions, and it's the midnight bars for us, so I don't do that. But not completely wrong. It's one of the better setups actually if you want to squeeze out something out of the market. For me, with the euro neutral, I'm not after that, but yen definitely red, going long here. That'll help me to be a short on the yen, and I would like to see a retest for me person. If it misses, it misses. That's it. Okay, it's a little bit too close to that resistance level also to enter a straight, a straight trade. Aussie Swiss, Aussie green zone, Swiss red zone. Good for this, but strong run. I need the retest to the 50% level here. Then I'll consider some longs on nice candle reversals. And the New Zealand Swiss, also the spike. So this last directional swing from here to there, I would like to see a retracement, little double bottom here. You can see a spike in the ledge, double bottom, the break, nice strong break. Now I need a retracement back to 61% level, and then a counter reversal. That'll get me to go long. You can see New Zealand, all the sparkles, Swiss, very weak, fighting with the yen. So yeah, New Zealand cat, also obviously part of the New Zealand. The run, the little double bottom, you see the double bottom. Now the retest back at 50 to 61% level. beautiful on the New Zealand and also against the CAD. So we've got plenty of opportunities getting long on the New Zealand. I just need some setups before I commit to any trades there. Then my favorite trade idea for today is along on the Euro Swiss, also making a flat top triangle. Can do the retracement. Euro neutral, but I'm after the Swiss short. Right, so I've got plenty of yens and New Zealands, but I need a Swiss here. So the break, the retest and the counter reversal, that'll be definitely something I look at. Strong run, very strong. Consolidating here, strong break. Now small consolidation, a break there, a candle reversal there. That'll definitely be a very, very good setup for me to take a long setup later today or even tomorrow. But guys, trading isn't just about my insights. Please fill up the comments below this video. I've been trading since 2003. And if you are eager to take your trading skills to the next level, check out the link in the description to join my mentorship program. You can also support this channel by opening a trading account with a trusted broker from the link in the description, which I've been using since 2010. Thank you for joining me today on this trading journey. Remember that trading carries risk, so don't forget to trade responsibly. Never trade with money you cannot afford to lose. Can't wait to see my next video. Until then, trade well.